What's good, guys? I'm on my way to go help out a friend. Gonna play a little roadside assistance and help him out. He's got a little street legal buggy that he's riding on the streets, and I guess he blew a fuel pump fuse. So I gotta go to the local auto parts store, grab him a little fuse, and get it to him in a timely fashion. And he's somewhere on the side of the road, I believe to my left. I might already have passed him. Ah, there he is right there. Ah, funny guy. I'm gonna pick up this fuse right here. Alright, so I know absolutely nothing about what I'm trying to grab here, but he just told me a 30 amp fuse. 15, 20, 25, 40. There's 30. I think this will do.
5 hours.
Always gotta save this dude, bro. Yeah. Had to do it for the snap though. It's always something with you, bro. I hope these are the right ones.
30?
Yeah.
The right one.
This the first one you blew or the second?
The second. I just haven't fixed the problem. I just gotta put some electrical paper on it.
Bro, this is the most ghetto buggy I ever seen in my life. Yeah, you're right. You really, well, I mean, I'm sure they out there, but they're not that common. Like, what is this? This like the coolant? Yeah, that's the coolant. Okay. Radiator, the fans. That's what's up, man. You got two? How much power this thing got?
About 180 horse.
That's not bad. This thing must be pretty quick then.
I'll leave you in a straightaway.
Stop it. We might have to set this up.
We can do it whenever.
Okay.
Not from a dig though.
From a dig, I got you. Might have to take you over to the old Roger B. I'm making a video out of this, by the way. I'm talking about saving your ass. He ain't want none. My wheel came up with traction on too. Still was gonna get left.
I blew a fuse the second we fucking started.
Yeah, bro, you gonna have to just cruise on it until you get home with it.
I lost all power the second we accelerated.
You was gonna get nowhere anyways. Hold on, I need this photo real quick. This shit funny as fuck. Bitch, get your face out of it. No face, no case. Don't be trying to get on it again, bro. We gotta make it back.
We gotta make it. It just blew it.
Again?
Bro, I don't get it.
It must be something else, bro.
Oh my god, I only have 2 more.
Moment of truth.
Ready?
Damn. Wait, what?
It won't get fuel now. Like the fuel pump's not working.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you won't, Willie. Yeah, you want to like drive? Semi? Nope. Oh shit, something smacked the fuck out my truck. Oh, okay, cool. That shit rubbing off. What the fuck you do?
Man, he blew like 5 of them. I just bought him a whole pack.
The fuel pump fuels keep going. Don't worry about the air shot.
Yeah, what you doing on this part?
Nah, I just got over here.
You want to do this?
Yes.
We got a 15-foot strap. I'm just ain't trying to get smacked. Shit.
I think I got ready.
You got power steering, nigga?
Yeah.
You show. We know if you turn, it turn. If you don't turn.
Well, it's not gonna turn now. It will, but it won't. Hey, you right behind me. Don't let me get smacked.
Yeah.
Oh, this will work out, baby. Put that bitch in neutral. Pull that out. You know this nigga only call us when he need.
I think I called both y'all to go out there the night for my birthday.
Don't call me for my fucking birthday.
How not?
Look at your phone. I guarantee you ain't calling me, ho.
I bet you I didn't eat on my call log, but I bet you I did.
You better
I swear,
call me.
I called both y'all right back to back.
The day you called me, the day I called you right back, literally. A minute after that bitch just hung up, I called you right back. And no answer, no nothing, straight to voicemail.
This is so funny to me. Not something I'm gonna be able to do, but I can meet him around the corner. Oh no, the strap came off. Oh man, this is too funny. And it's home. Y'all something else.
Why are you pushing forward, stupid?
Where we going?
Backwards.
Shit, I thought we was going straight to the...
It ain't gonna start. No one's gonna steal the bitch.
How you know? They gonna load it up on the trailer. Take it.
I'm trying to run my shoes over and shit.
Oh, them look like white girls.
Yeah.
That big ass tire hurt.
I see that bitch running your leg over.
Alright, right here. Hold it, nigga.
I got it. A little bit, but I don't know. Ooh, man, I got shit to do. Oh, fuck, no. What the fuck you said? Nigga, you been miles from me. Oh, nigga, you far as fuck, bro. I ain't even got no gas without all that.
Yeah, so while them two are chopping it up back there, that's gonna be it for this video.
Gas high as fuck. This nigga said I got 5 of them. That's a gallon. Quick.
But yeah, we got him back one piece. So, nah, kind of video.